going to plot the graph of a linear equation. So we will take and we will I will explain you with the help of an example. Let us take one example here. Suppose question is draw the graph of 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So in this question you have to calculate the draw the graph of 2x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. So what we will do here? Our first step is to calculate the value of y from the equation. So first of all calculate the value of y. So minus y transfer on this side. So 2x plus 3 is equal to y. This is our first step. Second step, make the table. Generally we take only 3 values in the table. This value is x, this value is y. Now take any value of x, put in the equation and calculate the value of y, but make sure that the value of x should not be in your whole number, or the value of x should not come very long, otherwise it will be difficult to plot on a graph paper. So what we do here? Suppose we put here the value of x as 0. So 2 into 0 will be 0, 0 plus 3 will be 3. Second, we take here the value of x as 1. So 2 into 1 will be 2, 2 plus 3 will be 5. Next we take here the value of x as 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3 will be 7. So this is our table. Now next you can see that we are getting the points 0, 3. Next point is 1, 5. And next point is 2, 7. So we are getting here 3 points 0, 3, 1, 5 and 2, 7, which forms your ordered pair. Now we are going to plot these points on your graph paper. Let us see how to plot. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. This point is origin 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So first point is 0, 3. So 0, 3 where it will lie? 0 of x and 3 of y. So it will lie itself on the y-axis. This point is 0, 3. Next point is 1, 5. So this value is 1 and 5 will lie upside on the y-axis. So let us draw here. Four, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 5. So it will also lie here on the first quadrant. This value is 1, 5. Second is 2, 7. 2, 7. So it will lie here 2, 7. So join. Then you will join here. So this point will pass from all the points. This line is going to pass from all the 3 points, and the line should always be a straight line. It means the points should be collinear. Collinear means they should lie on a same straight line. Collinear points means all the points should lie on a same straight line. So on this line you will write the name of the equation. Name of the equation is 2x. You will write anywhere here 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So in this way you are going to plot the equation on a graph paper. Now let us see another example here. Now here we are going to discuss some more questions based on the graph of linear equation. Now see here, x is equals to 4. We have to plot the graph for x is equals to 4. So what we do here, see very carefully. This is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. So this value is origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is equals to 4 means positive side of x. The value of x is positive. Where 4 units. 4 units means you can see positive side 4 units. But when we draw the y-axis passing from the point 4. We take the reverse case. Whenever x is equals to 4 is given, so line will be parallel to y-axis, and whenever y is equals to 4 is given, in this case the line will be parallel to x-axis. Y is equals to 4 means positive side of y. So we go here at the positive side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and draw a line passing through the point 4, and the line should be parallel to x-axis. So we can write here equation y is equals to 4, and this line will be your x is equals to 4. Now see next question. So draw the graph of 2x minus 3y is equals to 5. So we have to draw the graph of 2x minus 3 is equals to 5. So what we do here, first step I have told. First step, calculate the value of y from the equation. So 2x minus 5 is equals to 3y. So 2x minus 5 upon 3. It is the value of y from the equation. Now make the table here. Table x and y. So at the place of x, if we put here 0, so our answer will be minus 5 by 3. So I have told in the beginning that avoid the fractional values. So if we put here the value of x as minus 2, then also our fractional value will come. And if we put here the value of x as 4, see here 2 into 4, value of x as 4. So 2 into 4 minus 5 upon 3. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 5, that is 3 upon 3. So value is coming as 1. Second, we can take as the value as, if we take here minus 4, so what will come here? Minus 8 and minus 5, again our value will come in fraction. So I have told in the beginning that try to avoid the fractional values. Now suppose if we take here the value as 7, so 7 to the 14, and 14 minus 5 will be 9. So see here, if we take value of x as 7, so 2 into 7 minus 5 upon 3. So 2 into 7, 14 minus 5 upon 3. 14 minus 5 is your 9. 9 upon 3 will be your 3. If we took the value of x as 7, the value of y is coming as 3. And if we took here the value of x as 9, so 9 2s are 18, and 18 minus 5 will be your 13. So our value is coming in fraction. So take another value. Suppose if we take here the value as 11, so 11 2s are 22. 22 minus 5 will be your 17. Then also our value will be coming in fraction. So take any negative value. Suppose if we take here as minus 3, suppose. So 2 into minus 3, minus 5 upon 3. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 5 upon 3. So minus 11 upon 3. So we can plot minus 11 upon 3. Okay, so we can take here one value, we can take minus 11 upon 3. Value we can take fractional only in that case when in most of the value of x our value is coming in fraction. So that is why whenever we are having at the last stage, we can take the value of y as fractional. Now plot these values here. See here, this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. First value is 4, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. This value will be our 4, 1. second value is 7 comma 3, so 5 6 7 1 2 and 3, so this value will be our 7 comma 3. If you took another value minus 3, so minus 3 will come here, minus 3 and minus 11 by 3. So minus 11 by 3, so both are coming in your third quadrant. So minus 11 by 3 means 3 whole, minus 11 by 3 means 3 whole 2 by 3. 3 whole 2 by 3. It means the value is greater than 3 but less than 4. So we can say that value is coming between minus 3 and minus 4. Here somewhere it will come. This side minus 3. So here it will come somewhere else. This value you can plot as minus 3 and minus 11 by 3. Now when you are going to join all this on the graph paper, when you will join, so here it will form a straight line. In a graph paper when you will join, so here it will form a straight line. So this will be the representation of a equation on a graph paper. So this is all total about your chapter. In this chapter I have told you about the basic general representation of linear inequations in two variable. Second topic I have told you about graph of linear equations, and rest of the questions, whatever questions are there, we will discuss on the